Exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Cost of a notebook to be rupees X and that of a pen to be Y. So what is the relation? Cost of a notebook is means a cost of a notebook is means equal to twice means 2 into cost of a pen. That is, what is cost of a notebook? X. So X is equal to 2 into Y, or X minus 2Y is equal to 0. Now second question, express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. First one, 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. That can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to negative 9.35 bar. Now second question, x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. X means 1x, so a is equal to 1. It is already in that form. Ax plus bi plus c equal to 0, that form. So a is equal to 1, b equal to negative 1 by 5, c is equal to negative 10. Now third one, minus 2x plus 3y, we can take 6 to left side, so negative 6 equal to 0. So a means negative 2, b 3, c negative 6. Fourth one, x equal to 3y, that can be written as x minus 3y equal to 0. A means coefficient of x, that is equal to 1. A equal to 1. B equal to negative 3. C means 0. There is no other constant. So C equal to 0. Fifth question. 2x plus 5y equal to 0. A equal to 2. B equal to 5. C equal to 0. Sixth one. 3x plus 2 equal to 0. That can be rearranged as 3x plus 0y plus 2 equal to 0. So a equal to 3, b equal to 0, c equal to 2. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. So that can be written as 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So a is equal to 0, b equal to 1, c equal to negative 2. Last one, 5 equal to 2x. That is same as 2x equal to 5. That is 2x minus 5 equal to 0, or we can write it as 2x plus 0y minus 5 equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b equal to 0, c equal to negative 5. Exercise 4.2. First question, which one of the following options is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. C, answer third one, infinitely many solution. It is a linear equation in two variables. Now see the fourth question. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. So given x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. So we can replace x by 2 and y by 1. So 2x becomes 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. 4 plus 3 equal to k. That is 7 equal to k. That is k equal to 7. Second question. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. 2x plus y equal to 7. We can put x equal to 0. Then y equal to 7. Now put x equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. Then y equal to 5. So x equal to 1, y equal to 5. Next, two more solution we have to find. Put x equal to 2. Then y equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Put x equal to 3. Then y equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So these are the 4 solutions for the equation 2x plus y equal to 7. Second question, pi x plus y equal to 9. Put x equal to 0. Then y is equal to 9. Put x equal to 1. So pi into 1 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus pi. Now put x equal to 2. Then pi into 2 plus y is equal to 9, or y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Now put x equal to 3. Then y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. These are the solution for the equation pi x plus y is equal to 9. Next, x equal to 4y. Here you can put values for y. When y equal to 0, then x is equal to 4 into 0, that is 0. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0, one solution. Now put y equal to 1. Then x equal to 4 into 1, 4. Y equal to 2 means x equal to 8. Y equal to 3 means x is equal to 4 into 3, 12. Now question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Which are not. First, 0, 2. 0, 2 means you have to put x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 in the left side of the given equation. So left side can be written as LHS equal to x equal to 0. 0 minus 2 into y means 2. That is 0 minus 4 equal to negative 4. Is it same as 4? No. So not equal to RHS. Hence it is not a solution. So 0, 2 is not a solution. Next we have to check 2, 0. That is x equal to 2, y equal to 0. So take the LHS. LHS equal to, that is x minus 2y. There you have to substitute x equal to 2. That is 2 minus 2 into y means 0. 2 into 0. That is 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Is it RHS? 4? No. So that not equal to RHS. Hence 2, 0 is not a solution. Okay. Next you have to consider the point 40, that is x equal to 4, y equal to 0. So LHS equal to 4 minus 2 into 0. That is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. That is same as RHS. Hence, x equal to 4, y equal to 0 is a solution for the given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Next, we have to check whether root 2 4 root 2 is a solution of this equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, now replace x by root 2. Root 2 minus 2y means 2 into 4 root 2. LHS equal to, that is root 2 minus 8 root 2. 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2, that is minus 7 root 2, not equal to RHS. Hence, it is not a solution. So, this is also not a solution. Next, we have to check whether 1 1 is a solution. So, put take LHS and substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So, 1 minus 2 into 1. That is 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1, that is not RHS, not equal to the RHS, that is 4. Hence, 1 1 is also not a solution. So, 0 2 is not a solution, 2 0 is not a solution, root 2 4 root 2 is not a solution, 1 1 is not a solution, only 4 0 is a solution. Okay.